Are you struggling to get your AngularJS application to display the right meta tags for Facebook and other scrapers? You're not alone. This is a common issue that many developers face, and today we're going to tackle it head-on. I totally understand how frustrating it can be when your social media links show up with placeholder values instead of the dynamic content you want. It can feel like your hard work is going unnoticed. But don't worry, we have solutions. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, how can I get AngularJS to use different controllers for Facebook's OpenGraph scraper? They want to ensure that the meta tags are populated correctly for scrapers like Facebook and Slack. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this. So what's the issue here? The problem arises because scrapers like Facebook fetch the original HTML before AngularJS has a chance to populate the dynamic content. This means they only see the placeholder values. Let's explore how we can work around this. And stick around. I have a great tip at the end that will help you implement this solution effectively. You won't want to miss it. To address the user's issue, we will first create a separate route for scraper bots. This will allow us to serve static HTML with the correct OpenGraph meta tags. Next, the user should implement a server-side solution. Since they are using HTTP server, they can create a simple Node.js server to handle requests from scraper bots. Now the user needs to differentiate between regular users and scraper bots. This can be done by checking the user agent in the request headers. Finally, the user should test the implementation. They can use tools like Facebook's debugger to see if the correct meta tags are being served to scraper bots. Fun fact, did you know that Facebook's OpenGraph was launched back in 2010? It's been a game changer for sharing content on social media. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution involves changes to both the front end and back end of your AngularJS application. First, eliminate the hash symbol in your URLs by enabling HTML5 mode. This allows the entire URL to be sent to the server, which is crucial for generating dynamic metadata for social media scrapers. With this configuration, your links will now direct to your backend server, where you can return the same index.html file, but with the appropriate meta tags based on the URL parameters. Here's the tip I promised. Always test your implementation using Facebook's debugger tool to ensure your meta tags are being read correctly. This will save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. With these steps, you can ensure that your AngularJS application serves the right meta tags to scrapers. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips, and remember to keep experimenting with your code.